Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of January 13th, 2015. We will be looking at some charts that come from the Trade Navigator software. And the first chart we're looking at is a weekly bond market chart. And bonds have started off 2015 by just blasting to the upside. We've got a pretty good size range already this week in 2 days, and they haven't traded either support or resistance, which ought to tell you how active last week was. They only need to hold in the 146.20 area here at this upper moving average to look really strong, and they haven't come anywhere near it so far. The next upside target is around 149.20. I'm not sure they'll trade either of those things, although with all this activity Monday and Tuesday, really the biggest news of the week is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so anything's possible. I will say this, as strong as this has been, they would have to break down below this lower moving average here, which is around 143.20, before they would look at all weak. And I think that's quite unlikely. They just look really strong right now. And the Fed may want to raise interest rates, but doesn't look like the bond market wants them to. Stocks, wow, volatility is here, folks. It looked like they wanted to try support in the 2055 area up here in the middle moving average. They did not quite get there. And you would have expected them to hold around 2030 if they were bouncing back up after a fairly good recovery off the lows last week. They didn't do that. In fact, they reversed 50 points from the intraday high on Tuesday. Kind of a scary little thing, although they did bounce back up a bit into the close. We're looking at support down here at, let's call it the 1990 area. Now that's above this old low here. If they don't hold 1990, I don't think this previous swing low at 1984 will hold. Heck, I don't even think this swing low back here will hold. If they break 1990, I think there's a good chance we're going to see a waterfall decline. And I mean, down here to the lower Keltner channel in the 1900 area. It may not happen in a day or two, but it could. I mean, that reversal Tuesday was a little frightening. And of course, at this point, as much volatility as there is, this is just an inside week. So you could make the case that they haven't really done anything yet. But I thought they would be moving higher. Not doing so could mean they're ready to go just in the opposite direction. Now, if they hold 1990 and they could base for a while here, or they could turn right back up. I'm not Chicken Little calling for the end of the world here. I just think the situation is there where they could roll over kind of hard here and catch some people by surprise. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.